Hi and welcome to the tutorial on LayerStacker script workflow. To install the script, simply go to File, Scripts, Install Script File, or Install Script UI panel, and then locate the script file. You may then need to restart After Effects. If you installed it as a script UI panel, LayerStacker should appear at the bottom of the window menu. You may dock it wherever you want. After installing, you may find the script under File then Scripts menu and choose LayerStacker. You'll see a simple panel with time-saving features. Stack layers stacks from the bottom to the top order. Reverse stack from top to bottom order. The offset lets you set spacing between layers. You can toggle between frames and seconds with this button here. Let's see it in action. Say I have these 3 layers, which I want to sequence. I select the layers and click the Stack Layers button. The layers are now stacked so that the second one moved right after the first layer. I could also do this in reverse order by clicking on Reverse Stack button, and I can switch it back anytime. Now let's see how the offset works. I will type 20 frames in this field and click on Stack Layers. Now the layers are stacked with 20 frames spacing between them. If I change it to 24, they will have 24 frames spacing. You can also use the buttons here. Just like that, I added 10 frames and I changed the spacing. I can switch the order anytime with Reverse button. The Reset button clears the offset in the input field. Now let's see the negative offset values. Here I stack the layers with -10 frames. I can easily change it to -40. Now let's toggle frames to seconds. I will set the offset value to 5 seconds. Or maybe 10 this time. The order in which you select the layers matters. Here I selected layers one by one, and they arrange in the order I selected them. Now let me walk you through a common After Effects problem we will solve. Here is a simple example of many layers video edit with a 10 frames fade-in transition on every layer. Imagine the client says, slow down the transition by 2 times slower. Normally you'd have to select keyframes on every layer and move them 10 frames, and then move the layers by 10 frames, each time with one less layer selected. Imagine having tens of layers to repeat this. LayerStacker easily solves this. Just select the layers, line them up, select and move all the keyframes you need, select your layers, type in your offset value. Here we just click -10 2 times and click the Stack Layers button. All done. Work smarter, not harder. Get LayerStacker.